Undefeated 4s went from the best shoe to release this year to the most flaws I've seen on a sneaker. Like, some of these pairs deadass got 3rd-degree burns and the mumps, bro.
You're gonna live with me now.
And I could sit here and tell y'all that I'm amazed, but I'm honestly not. Reality is, this has happened to me personally on an Undefeated release in the past. My shits came lumpy, bro. We gonna talk about it though, cause some of these pairs deadass say Diddy Air on them. Can't even say what it really says on YouTube, but y'all can see it right here. And the crazy part is, them shits might deadass end up going for a bag, bro. But we're gonna chop it up about the Undefeated 4s, cause honestly, I'm kinda concerned. My pair still hasn't shipped out, so I might deadass get one of the bottom of the barrel pairs. I might get 2 left sneakers, bro. We deadass don't know what's about to happen. Make sure you subscribe. That way you can see what happens with my Undefeated 4s once they touch down. But deadass, they can have jizz stains.
Oh fuck. Oh my god. I'm gonna fucking throw up. Someone period on my fucking leg. Oh shit.
Hey yo, what the fuck? Come lumpy. There's nothing ruled out when it comes to this pair, which is kind of concerning, bro. Like, y'all deadass had one job, and I understand if you giving us hella quantity, the quality falls through the cracks. So we're gonna chop it up a little bit about the Undefeated 4s. If y'all doing up enjoying, 400 likes is the goal for this video. Y'all could go down there real quick, leave a like, and while you're down there, you might as well subscribe to the channel. We on road to 50K. Let me know you're new so I can welcome y'all the proper way. But all that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the Undefeated 4s. This deadass might be the last video I make on them before the unboxing. I wasn't even gonna do it, but I went on Instagram and I saw the amount of flaws on these pairs, and it's kind of ridiculous, bro. Like, y'all deadass had one job, bro, and it's to make the shoe right. Like, who said put rape air on the Jordan 4s? Like, fix that immediately, bro. Those shits should have never left wherever the fuck they made them at. Somebody got the rare apes, like, deadass, bro. What is going on? Y'all had one duty, bro. Y'all deadass took a $40,000 shoe, dropped it to the mass population, 200,000 pairs plus, and started fucking up the quality. Like, I would have rather y'all give us 150,000 and throw all the B-grade pairs straight to the outlets like we used to in the past.
What the fuck?
But nowadays, deadass, I'm pretty sure somebody gonna be auctioning these shits on eBay next Tuesday, bruh. Dude mans who got them is already debating on selling them. If it was me personally, I would hold them for a couple years and sell them a little more down the line. But we do know that there's a lot of undercover this shit going on in this world. So somebody might be a fan of these a little more than the rare air behind the jump, man. I'm really trying to dance around the topic because I don't know how much I could say on here without getting flagged, you feel me? But all I gotta say is I bought these Undefeated Air Forces a few years back at this point, and when I got them, best believe that my shits came lumpy dumpty, bro. Yes, chewed up on the front, and that's kind of what we seeing on these Undefeated 4s. I'm not gonna lie, bro, it's bittersweet because my shit still haven't shipped, and if these are the pairs that people have already got, I'm pretty sure the more later into the shipments we get, I might fuck around and not even get a tongue on my shoe, bro. I might dead ass get a drop top Jordan 4 in the mail. Y'all gonna have to wait and see because I don't know what's gonna happen, bro. And it's not just one person getting these issues. It's multiple people complaining, saying that there's glue stains, which I honestly don't really care about. If my shits come like this, I might be tight, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That shit gonna get me hot because I love the ballistic Air Force Ones and I barely wear them just because every time I look down at them, I look at this shit, bro, and it drives me nuts, especially because I'm a meticulous type of person. So I know that my left shoe is good and then my right one, bro, is defeated, bro. The Undefeated joints are dead ass defeated, bro. We need some help and some milk at the same time because what is going on, bro? Let me know in the comments if you got your pair in from the Undefeated raffle or from their online release, and if you did, are your shits leaning? That's all I want to know in the comments below. I want to see the the percentage of people that got leaning ass pairs from Undefeated, they dead ass had one task, bro. The objective was to drop these shits and make them look good, bro. If you're gonna drop a PE, I think the standards should dead ass be kept to a maximum. These shits dead ass look like they're coming from the fake factories. Like, I could guarantee you there might be better pairs that are not legitimate versus these shits right here. Real quick, I'm gonna run down all the pictures that I found online, and I'm pretty sure there's more, but I'm gonna just talk about the ones that I did see so far. First one, and probably the worst one, is the Diddy Air on the tongue, bro. This one might be one of those pairs that I don't know if y'all have seen in the past where there's like a mishap on a Jordan where there's like a upside down swoosh or something like that. It'll end up going for thousands of dollars. I think the grapey joints are gonna dead ass be going for way more than the Undefeateds are going for. So that was the main one. Literally, this picture right here made me make this video, bro, because I couldn't let this slip through the cracks. And I want to ask y'all that question because low-key, it made my eyebrows go up when I saw this shit this morning. Homie is dead ass asking if he should sell them. If it were me, I would hold them for a little bit, sell them a little more down the line when the dust settles. Then again, that could be bittersweet because typically shit like this sells on eBay and people never end up paying the money. That's normally what happens. We got more people with issues, bro. Homie got a size 13 and he said the Undefeateds look defeated, bro. The front of them shit's leaning and it has glue on it, bro. I'd be sick. You can't even fix it for real. Like, you're cooked, bro. You're done. And this is the one pair that you want right, bro. Like, you wait for your raffle, your shit finally hit, you're gassed up, and then you get this shit in the mail. I'd be pissed, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It deadass looked like somebody scraped their toenail on the side of this pair, bro. If you're watching from the Nike factory, put your socks back on, bro. Why are you scraping the kicks? They deadass mad that they couldn't get them themselves. There's glue stains on this one. Again, glue stains don't really get me mad because it's one of those things like, bro, you need glue to put the shoe together. Yes. Should they be more careful? Of course. But it's really not that bad if we being real. We got another pair over here that says Rare Ape.
I got me some bathing. I got me some bathing.
The Bathing Ape joints dropped. Realistically, it's one of those things where you're gonna have the Jordan sticker over it. It does suck, I'm not gonna lie. And I do think this one might not go for as much as the other mess up because the other one is crazy. The Grape Airs without the G in the front is a situation.
If hating is your occupation, I have a full-time job for you.
The last picture, low-key, homie got done dirty, bro. Like, the top of these shits got scraped with somebody's keys, and then it looks folded, kind of like my Air Forces. That might be the worst thing, bro. I could take glue stains, because at the end of the day, the shoe gonna get dirty, but what I can't take is this right here, the chomped on rubber on the front, bro. Like, I cannot get past it. I am, like, a nitpicky person as well, so for me, it definitely kills me, bro. Like, I love this pair, like I was saying earlier, and I just can't get myself to wear them as much as I know I would if they didn't come fucked. After seeing how many mess ups have been happening with the Undefeateds, it kind of makes people wonder, yo, should I just start buying the reps? Cause deadass were paying $250 for shit like this to happen, bro. It should not be happening when you're paying a premium. That's why a lot of people are deadass shifting their attention towards the counterfeit cause they're deadass making better pairs than Nike is at this point. And that's kind of concerning, especially when they're milking us for every penny, if we being honest. But this was just a quick little update video on the Undefeated 4s. Let me know if y'all are still waiting on your shipping confirmation. I've been waiting, and the longer I wait, the longer I get stressed at this point, especially with how much shit we seeing. Hopefully I do get lucky, but I did already get lucky on taking the dub. So shit, we gonna have to wait and see what happens. Are my shits gonna come defeated or undefeated? We just gonna have to wait a couple more weeks, bruh. But I appreciate each and every one of y'all who watched this quick little video. It was just an update on what's going on with the possible sneaker of the year for 2025. If y'all enjoyed this one, you know exactly what to do. 400 likes is the goal for this video. Make sure you go down below, drop a like, because I've been trying to stay consistent through adversity, you feel me? I could deadass be taking a nap right now, and I'm here in front of this camera trying to chase my dreams to the best of my ability. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who come through and show love. Matter of fact, if you're watching this far into the video, let me know where you're from. I've been having a lot of people tell me they're from different places. I recently seen Australia, Singapore. So let me know where you're watching from. It definitely means a lot that y'all are supporting down below. If you end up subscribing to the channel, let me know you're new so I could welcome y'all to the family the proper way. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Make sure you spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these 2 videos. That's what YouTube's recommending you to watch. The one in the back, you laying right there on your bed. YouTube is recommending one of these 2 videos. And if you do end up enjoying it, hey, consider subscribing. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.